Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Subaru Liberty sedan, stock reference number 7423. The shape runs from the 5th month 2013 through to the 7th month 2014. It has an FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-drive transmission. FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left sill skirt, left front door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish or boot lid garnish, right hand boot lid garnish, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has no damage, right front door has no damage, right hand sill skirt, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.